Today we will be demonstrating a method that we use to solder surface mount components onto a printed circuit board. We will focus in on the position where we will be soldering our new chip. We have already removed the old chip and prepped the board for this procedure. The product that we will be using is solder paste, which will allow us to put the chip on in a factory fashion. The chip that we are soldering to the PCB is an IC that is a 16-pin surface mount IC. If we needed to, we have a bottom heater in case the IC was positioned on top of a heat sink, making soldering difficult. But in this case, it is not necessary. We will go ahead and apply the paste to the solder pads. It is important to be careful not to use too much paste, as it will make the process more difficult and quite a bit more messy. We will carefully position the pads to the pins of the IC. Now, we are using our hot air tool. We will see the solder paste work its magic. As you can see, the solder paste allows us to have a perfectly aligned IC. As the paste pulls the pins towards the board as the heat is applied. This is a very effective way to solder components to the surface of a PCB. Thank you for watching. For more videos, subscribe to our channel.